everyone, my name is Pooja and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my favorites from the past month and things which I've been loving from past few months. I'll be sharing with you guys everything from skincare to makeup to few snacks items and everything random. I've been watching a lot of YouTubers do it and I've been really inspired by Mridul's monthly favorites video. I love the way she always includes every random thing, and from now onwards even I'll try to do a monthly favorites video. And yes, now without any further rambling, let's just get started with the video. Alright, so the first item which I'm going to show you is moisturizer, and it is from the brand Sugandha. It is the rosehip moisturizer and it is in the unscented flavor. So I've been using this moisturizer since last 15 days now and it is really nice. बहुत ज़्यादा lightweight है ये. Plus it gives you the right amount of hydration and moisturization on your skin, and it is for combination and dry skin. You see the texture is really lightweight and it melts into your skin like a dream. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है ये, and मैं इसको डेली सुबह यूज करती हूँ. Doesn't give me any breakout and it hydrates my skin really well. So yes, this is really nice and I am loving it. The next thing which I'm going to show you guys is a face wash, and this face wash is Dr. Sheth's Basic Brightening Daily Cleanser. This is how the bottle looks like. I've been using this face wash since last 2-3 months now and I'm really liking it. I don't use this face wash daily, but मैं इसको 2-3 दिन में एक बार use करती हूँ and I really like using this. I've already used half of it and it is really nice. It really makes your skin look bright and doesn't dry out your skin, which is a really nice thing. I'll make sure to link everything in the description box and my prices भी या तो screen नहीं तो फिर description box में mention कर दूँगी. The next thing is this toner and it is from Dot & Key. It is a physical exfoliant. It has 5% AHA and this is how the packaging looks like. First of all, can we please take a moment and appreciate the packaging? I think Dot & Key के सारे products की packaging इतनी cute होती है. I really love this. I have been loving lavender a lot since last few months and this is really cute. This toner comes in a pumped packaging, but मैं उसको as a pump पूरे face पे spreads नहीं करती हूँ because I've just started out physical exfoliants and मैं इसको cotton pad में लेके and then wipe it off on my skin, and I don't use it daily. I use it once in every 2 days during night time, and because रात को आपकी skin repair होती है, heal होती है, and I make sure to use a really thick moisturizer after using this toner. So if you are someone who is just starting out with physical exfoliants, make sure to invest in either a face wash or a toner first and then move on to peels or mask or anything of that sorts. So I think this is really good. It did not give me any major breakout. Starting की first day हो सकता है if your skin is really sensitive, you might get breakouts on your skin, but then you need to give a physical exfoliant some time to get settled down in your skin. Now I've been using it since last again 15 days. मैंने सुगंधा वाला moisturizer और ये almost same time पे ही order किया था and so far I'm really loving this product. The next thing which I'm going to show you is a perfume. It is from Nykaa. It is their mini perfume. I really like this perfume a lot. This was in one of my past favorites video as well. I have used this perfume a lot. मतलब आप देख सकते हैं, I have other perfumes as well, but I mostly reach out to this perfume. This is a mini perfume, so it fits into your bag and this smells divine. If you're someone who doesn't like strong scents, you will not like this probably, but this is really nice. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. It is really long lasting and it is really affordable. So yes, I really like. I'm looking forward to try a few of the other variants as well. Now moving on, the next thing is this lipstick. It is from Miss Claire and it is their matte power lip color. ये मैंने अपने recent haul में भी दिखाई थी, मेरा birthday shopping haul में, and उस time से I use it almost every time I shoot. I have been obsessed with this lipstick. इसका shade इतना pretty है and this is 03 by the way, and this is how the shade looks like. I think the shade is really pretty. बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable lipstick है ये and I've been really loving this lipstick. It dries out completely matte. It doesn't chip off from the middle, which is really nice, and it is really comfortable. if you like using liquid lipsticks, you should definitely try this one. And yes, I really love this one. Alright, the next thing is a nail paint, and this Faces Canada Splash range wali nail paint. It is a beautiful lavender shade, and I have used this nail paint entire April. I really like this nail paint. बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा shade है ये. And summers में I really like using these kind of pastel shades, and this nail paint is really nice and it is really affordable. It was only around 100 rupees I guess, and उस पे भी मेरे को इसमें discount ही मिला था. And this lasts for around say around 4 to 5 days on your hands, which is nice I guess, which is quite decent I guess. And you can definitely try other shades from this range. Alright, now let's talk about some food. I already like eating PVR के popcorn, but obviously last 1.5 years से तो lockdown ही चल रहा है. But then I came across this one, and it is same PVR wala popcorn. They have variety of flavors, and this is how the popcorn looks like. I really like this flavor, sour cream, wasabi and cheese popcorn, and this one as well. This is Hawaiian barbecue cheese popcorn. I love these flavors. इसमें और भी 1-2 फ्लेवर्स आते हैं which are really nice. If you are doing any movie night या फिर Netflix वगैरह आप देख रहे हो तो आप आराम से you can just grab these popcorn, you can watch your movie. पूरी PVR वाली फीलिंग आती है. इसका टेस्ट एग्जैक्टली वही है, एंड आई रियली लाइक ईटिंग दीज पॉपकॉर्न. नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हिच आई एम रियली लाइकिंग इज अ एनर्जी बार, एंड इट इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड Rhyme. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. This is a protein bar and it doesn't have any sugar. I really like protein bars from Snackable as well. बहुत tasty होती है वो, but उसमें sugar होती है कुछ amount की. But this doesn't have sugar. This is in chocolate flavor. But ये if you don't like eating dark chocolates, you will not like this. Even I am developing a taste for this protein bar. ये थोड़ी सी खारी लगती है because it is dark chocolate, but then it doesn't contain any sugar, so which is a really good thing. And ऐसे this is very tasty. मतलब if you like dark chocolate थोड़ा सा भी तो आपको ये tasty लगेगी काफी. Thing which I'm really liking is a facial oil, and it is from this brand Indulgio. It is the Indulgio Rose Gold oil. From where do I start? I am using this oil since last 5 months now, and makes your makeup glides on easily. It makes your makeup look so dewy and so nice, and your makeup sits so nicely after using this oil. If you want to invest in a good facial oil, you should give this a try. It is definitely not the most cheapest one out there, but it definitely is worth your every single penny. You need to try to see how amazing this is. So yes guys, with that I finished this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Do let me know if you have tried any of these or you are willing to try. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me help grow this family even bigger. And also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.